In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arcane Lineage solo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can join and play Arcane Lineage solo without a party. You will be able to do this on any platform. You just have to open Roblox and look for the experience. Now, one thing that I want to make extremely clear is that even the developers say that it is suggested that you play with a group. As you can see under the official description for the experience, this game is designed for party playing. Playing solo will make the game harder for you, so while it is still possible to do this, you might want to consider if this is worth the trouble. Now, if you are satisfied and you still want to play solo, all that you have to do is go ahead and join. It's as simple as joining the experience and you will be able to start playing. Now, if you need to get instructions and a beginner guide on how to play Arcane Lineage, I'm going to give you some extremely basic stuff, but you should take your time and research this on your own. After you spawn in, you will see these mats on the ground, and you can use these to meditate to improve some of your skills after you level up. And the first thing that you should do, in my opinion, is to get one of these quests. If you find any sort of slime collecting or slime investigating quests, click on those. You will be able to get the quests, and then you can go on the outside of the spawning area, this town, to find slimes and other enemies to defeat. By defeating these enemies, you will get soul essences, and by completing the objectives and quests, you will get gold that you can use to purchase weapons, accessories, armor, and so on. So once you get in combat, you will be able to use space to defend yourself against the enemies, and you can choose to attack, use items, guard, meditate, or escape from battle. By defeating the enemies here, you will accumulate XP, soul essences, and so on, and you will be able to improve your abilities in Arcane Lineage. Keep in mind that because of the nature of this video, I cannot give you too much detail on what to do to progress and get better. Like I said, this is only an extremely simple beginner's guide, but it is a turn-based combat game, and you will be able to explore the open world to become richer and get a lot of items and loot. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arcane Lineage solo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.